friends! This is again Bernie, and today I'm going to unbox another smart product from Crabtek, which is the Wi-Fi Smart IR Controller, which you can use to control your remote-controlled appliances using our Crabtek Home application. Let's start. So let's go ahead and unbox this Smart IR Controller. So sa loob, makikita natin yung mismong IR controller and yung kanyang cord, USB cord. So try natin siya, i-connect muna natin siya sa ating Crabtek Home application. First of all, you have to download our Crabtek Home application. You can download it on Google Play Store, App Store, or you can just simply scan this QR code. We have to connect our IR controller to our Wi-Fi. So para mangyari yon, we have to press and hold lang itong button sa likod for about 5 to 10 seconds until may makita tayong color red na nagbi-blink sa loob. So wait lang natin siya. So as you can see guys, nagbi-blink na yung color red niya sa loob. And then that's the time na pwede na natin siyang i-connect sa ating Crabtek Home app. So first, punta muna tayo kay Add Device. And then Others. And then punta tayo kay Universal Remote Control. Connect lang tayo kay Wi-Fi. And then confirm lang natin dito. Next. And then wait lang natin makakonect si IR controller sa ating Crabtek Home app. So once makakonect tayo sa ating IR controller, punta lang tayo kay Smart IR. And then makikita niyo yung page wherein i-ask niya kayo para mag-add ng remote control. So click niyo lang dito yung add. And then makikita niyo yung iba't ibang klase ng appliance. So kunyari may TV kayo na gusto niyo i-control or aircon, so click niyo lang siya. And then once na-click niyo yung appliance na gusto niyo i-connect, makikita niyo lahat ng mga brand dyan. So piliin niyo lang kung ano yung brand na i-control niyo. In my case, gagamitin ko dito yung aming robot vacuum. So wala siya dito, unfortunately. Ang gagawin natin is i-click natin si DIY. Ayan yung pinakahuling option, DIY. And then, yung pinakahuling type niya is custom type since wala rin siya dito sa pagpipilian. So, after that, click nyo lang next step. Next ulit. And then, mag-a-ask siya na i-point yung inyong remote control doon sa inyong appliance. So, kunin ko lang si robot vacuum. So, right now, I have here the Crabtek robot vacuum. And meron ako ditong remote control. So, first, i-on ko muna siya.
Welcome to use robot cleaner. I'm happy to serve you.
Ayan. And then, hit nyo muna yung next step dito. And then, mag-ask siya na i-point nyo yung inyong remote control sa inyong appliance. So, let's say itong on and off button. Ayan. So, na-detect ng ating IR controller yung on and off button ng ating robot vacuum. So, para naman malaman natin kung ano yung particular na command na yon, pangalan na lang natin siya na on and on-off button. And then, click nyo lang yung OK and then masasave na siya dito. So, mag-a-add pa tayo ng iba pang command. So, click nyo lang yung continue dito. Ayan. And then, try natin yung forward. Ito. Ayan. So, na-detect na rin niya. So, lagay ko dito forward. So, ngayon mag-a-add pa ako ng isa pang command which is yung clean command niya. So, ito siya, yung nasa gitna.
Begin to clean.
Ayan. So, papangalanan ko na lang siya ng clean.
Cleaning is ended.
Ayan. And then, after that, save nyo lang siya. And then, masasave nyo lahat ng inyong commands dito sa ating DIY page. Ayan. So, try na naman natin siyang i-control through our Crabtek Home application without using the remote. So first, naka-on na siya. Try natin mag-clean.
Begin to clean.
Ayan. Oops.
Cleaning
And then, try naman natin na i-forward. Forward siya. Ayun. So, ganun lang kadali. I-control lang inyong remote-controlled appliance using our Smart IR controller. And there you have it. This is again our Smart IR controller. Thank you so much. Please follow our Facebook page. That's Crabtek Home. And of course, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Crabtek Home. This is again Bernie. Have a great day and stay safe, guys. Bye!